Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to test HTML email template. Do you know why need to test email template? Well, here is the fact. Over 70% of users check their email on various mobile devices. If your email template is not responsive and mobile friendly, you could be losing a huge part of your audience and possibly your conversion too. That is why testing email template is too important. So let's get started. In this video, I will use most popular email template tool named Litmus.com. Now click on login. Look at here, I have already logged in on this tool. Then click on create new. Then click on create from HTML. Then click on blank email. Now go to code editor. This is the email template coding and copy this code from here and back to litmus.com and paste here. Then click on save and then click on focus mode. Then click on email previews. Now we can take a quick look at how it's look on various email client. So now open this on. This is Apple Mail 16, macOS 13. Scroll down. This is looking good. Then click on next icon. This is Apple Mail 16 Dark, macOS 13 and scroll down this email. This is also looking great. Then click on next button. This is OL Office 365 in Windows 10. It's also looking great. Now close this preview and go to iPad devices. This one is iPad Gen 10 iOS 18 and scroll down. Look, this email template is looking great. Then click on next icon. This is iPad Gen 10 Dark iOS 18 and here is also looking this email template perfectly. Then click on next. This is iPad mini Gen 6 iOS 18 and scroll down the email template. Here is also looking great. Now close this preview and go to iPhone devices. This is iPhone 16 iOS 18 and scroll down the email template and this is also great. Then next, this is iPhone 16 Dark iOS 18 and here is also looking the email template perfectly. Now close this preview and go to mobile devices like Gmail. Now I am opening Gmail app. Look at here, this is Gmail app Android 13 and scroll down the email template. Here is also looking great. Then next, this is Gmail app iOS 18 and scroll up the email template. Here is also looking great. Then click on next. This is Gmail app Dark Android 10 and here is also looking the email template perfectly. There are many other email clients but I do not want to check emails in all of them. If you want, you can check how your email looks in each and every email clients. I am providing HTML email template coding and email template testing service. If you need HTML email template coding and email testing service, check the link from video description. If you have any question about HTML email template, knock me at WhatsApp. Check the WhatsApp number from the video description. Thank you very much for watching this video.